Shah Sanhu. I need a logo for my company. Concept. Create a logo for FK Lifeline, with a green color theme to symbolize health and nature. Design elements. Icon. Combine a lifeline or heartbeat graph with a simple leaf or plant shape. Typography. Use a modern, legible font for FK Lifeline. Colors. Focus on vibrant greens, possibly with a secondary accent color. Simplicity. Keep the design clean and versatile for different platforms. Emotion. Convey trust, health, and holistic well-being.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are so well too. First of all, sorry for uploading the video after a so long time. Today I received an email from a client saying I needed a logo and the company name is FK Lifeline. This company is about information and health. Now I need information like signs and symbols. Now I have created 5 logos for the client and my client has the final number 2 logo.
I love these logos, and you added information and health so that all the information goes to the logo and health tips. The color dictionary is green, and green targets information and health. And fill up quick, can't wait now, thanks.
Then I have starting work on it, so I will show you. And we will design this logo in Adobe Illustrator 2023. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please press the subscribe button and the bell icon.